Hey everyone, welcome to World Heritage Journey. For today's video, we're at the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, East Africa. Serengeti National Park is an enormous expanse of open savanna located in the north of Tanzania, and it sprawls out for an incredible 1.5 million hectares. The name comes from the local Maasai people who called it Serengeti, or the place where the land runs on forever. It's an iconically African location with wide open plains, sparse trees, rolling hills, and of course, animals everywhere. The Serengeti is most famous for the enormous Wildebeest Migration, where an estimated 1.5 million animals move across the plains in gigantic herds multiple times a year, following the rains and the food sources. We were lucky enough to see some of the migration, which is a genuinely impressive sight. There's also around 250,000 zebras roaming the Serengeti, and you usually don't have to look very hard to find them. They tend to be everywhere. Elephants are numerous on the Serengeti, including, of course, the ultra-cute baby elephants sticking with their mothers. We saw multiple cheetahs, including one perched on a small anthill, carefully surveying the grasslands from the highest point for miles around. These iconic animals are probably my favorites. The Serengeti is also home to several thousand lions, which roam around following the gazelles and the other prey animals. They're completely unbothered by the presence of humans, and they didn't pay us the slightest bit of attention as we drove past and they wandered down the road. Elsewhere, you'll find hippos, and crocodiles. Though, unfortunately, we didn't manage to see any rhinos. They've suffered heavily from illegal poaching, and tragically, only a few of them are left in the park. There's hundreds of giraffes in the Serengeti. Our car had a puncture late one afternoon, and while it was being fixed, a curious young giraffe came and poked her head over the trees to investigate. She was very interested in watching, and it's still one of my favorite memories from the whole trip. There's just boundless other species in the Serengeti as well. Hyenas, warthogs, gazelles, buffaloes, and ostrich. We even managed to spot two elusive leopards, which you can kind of see in these photos, but I think I'll leave the proper wildlife photography to these guys. Overall, the Serengeti National Park is a magical, iconic place. We spent 2 days there, camping in permanent tents and doing game drives all day, and we still have heaps more to see. But that's it from us. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and of course, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from the World Heritage Journey. We'll see you next time.